Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Lulu Menziwa blessed us with her pregnancy photos. She showed off her beautiful pictures of her pregnancy photos. She is looking so stunning, guys. For those who don't know, Lulu Menziwa is the girl that she thinks she is, okay? So she was recently trending for dating a married man. She was recently trending, and now she is pregnant by that married man. I am guessing the man is still going under divorce. I don't know, or maybe he is divorced already. But yes, she was dating a married man. She is still dating a married man, and they are expecting their child together. It's her first child, if I'm not mistaken, also. But congratulations to her, guys. Congratulations to her. We are not here to judge, We are not here to judge, and we can't blame her. We really can't blame her because these men, they know exactly what they are doing, and then now we blame the women. It's these men. We must blame the guy because phela uye phela umuntu ozakwazi ukushela ngisho. But Kesana, she is looking stunning. She did a shoot, and men pregnancy looks so good on her. It looks so good on her, and I'm hoping that she is still going to bless us with more photos because Sana, she is giving. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.